ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬುಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಿಹೆನ್ಷನ್ ಡ್ರಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗಳು. ನೀವಿನ್ನೂ ಲರ್ನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳದೇ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ಲೈಕನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳದೇ ಇರಲು ಆಲ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ರೈನ್ ಪೌರ್ಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಲ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಓವರ್ಫ್ಲೋಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಮೈ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಐಸ್ ರಿಸೆಂಬಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಐಸ್, ಲುಕ್ ಅಲೈಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತಾಯಿಯ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದು ತಂಗಿಯ ಕಣ್ಣಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. The poor little duckling was quite miserable because he was laughed at by the whole farmyard. That is unhappy anta. The teacher handed the register to the students, gave. At the restaurant we were offered a variety of beverages like iced tea and cold coffee, drinks. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬಂದಾಗ read the clues and ಗೆಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ಸ್, ಐ ಕೀಪ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸೇಫ್, ಹೂ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್, ಐ ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಹಾಟ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸನ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ household pet, I bark at strangers, I like eating bones, what I am, dog, I come in many different colors, I use it to brush teeth, put toothpaste on me, what I am, toothbrush. ಇನ್ನು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ನಂಬರ್ 5.3ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಓದಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 men were out on the ocean in a boat. One of them began drilling in the bottom of the boat, and the other, aghast, said, what are you doing? Stop drilling. And the first man replied, it's all right, I am only drilling on my side. Illi answer the following ide. Dash men were out on the ocean in a boat. 2 men. One of them began to dash the bottom of the boat, drill. Aghast means filled with horror. Do you really think drilling on his side may not difference to the other man? No, drilling other side makes the difference. A hole in his side may fills the water on the boat, and the boat may sink, and they both will die in the ocean. If the man continues to drill, what would be the result? If the man continues to drill, water would have filled the boat and filled and both of them would have died. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದೆ, ಆ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜನ್ನು ಓದಬೇಕು. ಚಂದನ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹರ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಆನ್ ದ ವೇ ಶಿ ಸಾ ಎ ಟೈಗರ್. he wagged his tail as he saw her. She was afraid and started running towards a house as quick as possible. He didn't let her. He followed her with all his strength. As soon as she reached her home, she closed the door and told her mom that a tiger was chasing her. She requested her mother to put the tiger in a kennel. Her mom did so and told her, haven't I told you not to take his biscuits in your pocket and allure him? Who did Chandana see on the way to her home? Chandana saw a tiger on the way to her home. The tiger means a dog. What did Chandana ask her mom to do? Why? Chandana asked her mom to put the tiger in the kennel. She was afraid of the tiger. Why do you think the tiger chased Chandana? The tiger chased Chandana because Chandana had biscuits in her pocket. What would have you done if you were Chandana? I would have thrown biscuits to the tiger on the way. Write a few sentences about the tiger. The tiger is a wild animal, it is a cruel animal, and it is very strong animal. I can if it can kill other animals and humans. But here in this story, the tiger means it is a dog. You have to write about the dog. The tiger is chased Chandana because Chandana had tiger's biscuits in her pocket ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Narrate about any such experience that you had on the way home. Once I was going my home, I heard some noise near the bush. When I went near, a dog rushed on me. I ran back to my home. Write a few sentences about Chandana. Chandana is a very innocent girl. She was very afraid on the way. Tiger is a name of a dog here, and she kept biscuits in her pocket. When she reached home, she told her mother to close the door and put the tiger in a kennel. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನನ್ನು ನಾವು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ರಿಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ನಂತರ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಯನ್ನು ರಿಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೇನೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಲಿವ್ಡ್ ಎ ಮೈಸರ್. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಹಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಎ ಟೆರಿಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಟರ್. ದೆನ್ his neighbors asked him what had happened. The miser told them that his treasure was missing. The neighbors wanted to know what did he with the treasure before it was gone. The miser replied that he came every day to see it in the hole where he had kept it. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ neighbors laughingly advised him to continue to come to the hole, look into it every day. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ, how did the miser lose his wealth? The miser kept his wealth in a hole. Every day he comes there to see his wealth. May someone saw this and they took his wealth. Next question ಇದೆ, describe the foolishness of the miser. The miser was really foolish. He should keep his wealth in home, but he kept in a hole. Every day visiting the place and seeing this wealth is his mistake. Someone saw this regular and they had took his wealth. ಇದಾದ ನಂತರ ಒಂದು ಪೊಯಮನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಪೊಯಮನ್ನು ಓದ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪೊಯಮನ್ನು ಓದಿದ ನಂತರ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪೊಯೆಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೊಯಮ್? ದ ಪೊಯೆಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪಪ್ಪಿ ಡಾಗ್ಸ್ ಟೇಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ mystery mentioned in the poem? The mystery is the wagging tail. Why the puppy's tail is wagging always? Next, what is the nature's law mentioned in the poem? The nature's law is the habit of wagging tail of every pup. What are the specialization of pup mentioned in the poem? The pup is black and yellowish and its tail wagging to and fro. And last question, do you have a pet at home? If so, mention the characteristics your pet. I have a pet puppy. It is white in color. It is very funny pet. It always licks my feet. It jumps in the air to catch biscuits. It chases the other dogs. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಒಂದು ಪೋಸ್ಟರನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಆ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಒಂದು ಶಾಡೋ ಶೋ ಲೈವ್ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಶೋ ಲೈವನ್ನು ವಿತ್ ಡೇಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಆ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಶೋಸ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್? ದ ಶಾಡೋ ಶೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಶೋ. Chirag booked tickets attend to show at 5 p.m. Which show do you think he is going to watch? Chirag booked the magic show live to watch. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ which show would you like to attend? Why? I would like to attend shadow show because I saw many magic shows. Then ಇದಾದ ನಂತರ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ರೇಟನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ವೀಕಲ್ಲಿ 1 kg ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್? ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ. ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಚೀಪೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್? ಬನಾನಾ. ನೇಮ್ ದ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ನೋ ಹೈಕ್ ಇನ್ ರೇಟ್? ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬನಾನಾ. ನೇಮ್ ದ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಚೀಫರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್? ಆರೆಂಜಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಪ್ಪಾಯ. Then name the fruit that had hike in rate? Mango, pomegranate, grapes and peach. And lastly, it is given a number of students and their marks, range of marks by the Venn diagram, we have to answer the following questions. The highest number of students scored between 41 to 45. Dash students scored between 60 to 70. Only 1. Then what conclusion we can draw from the above chart? Most of the students scored less marks. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 14 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 41 to 45 ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬುಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 key solutions. I hope these answers are good for you, and write your own answer after watching all this. And if you like this video, do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.